Hello friends. Today we are on 3rd of April 2026. It means the Income Tax Act 2025 is already in place, and we have rule which is effective from 1st of April 2026. And I'm going to discuss very important topic which is regarding the filing of earlier 15 CSCB. Now it is Form 145, 146. There are few changes which are very important to understand while filing Form 145. First of all, ask for the tax residency certificate, because now the form is asking for the period, for which period is valid. And for this, a new Form 10F to be filed, which is now Form 41, which is to be filed along with TRC. The period of the validity of that certificate is also to be mentioned in that TRC. Apart from this, when you also need no PE certificate from the remedy, and also ask for the principal place of business of the remedy, because earlier there was no requirement for principal place of business, but now the form is also asking for the principal place of business, and it may be different from the place in which you are remitting the money. Another important aspect is the department is asking for the AD bank detail. It means it may so happen that you have multiple bank account and through which you can remit the money. But if the bank is AD bank, then mention whether this bank is AD bank or not. If the bank is authorized dealer bank, then they are asking for ITDREIN number also for this, for the purpose of filing of SFT. So these are all important documents which needs to be collected before filing of Form 145 under the new income tax rules. Thank you so much.